Hey guys, TrickyMic here. Well, as you can see, my Vita finally showed up. I was asked to do an unboxing video of this. This is my first one, so you're going to have to bear with me. All I've done so far is take off the tape so I can open the box. I haven't opened the box yet. So, let's open it up and find out what we got. First thing we got, let's see, quick start guide. Well, alright, we'll read that in a minute. Here's the Vita itself. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. It's a little difficult doing this one-handed, so please bear with me. Switch hands here. And there we go. PlayStation Vita. Let's see if it turns on. How do we turn this thing on? Oh, there's the power button. No. Alright. Let's try to turn that on in a minute. Alright, what else we got in here? Power cord. Not sure what this is. Let's open it up and find out. Oh, it's the entrance to for the power cord. This is probably the USB jack to plug it into the PlayStation. Let's see what else we got in here. Another instruction guide. 8 gig memory card. Although we're not going to be using that. I already have a 32 gig one. Alright. I guess this is instructions to activate the 3G. Yep, free game. See? Free game when you activate the AT&T Data Connect Pass. I wonder what game they're going to give me. It doesn't say. Alright, put that one to the side. Long live play. Alright. Switch back hands here. PlayStation Protection Plan. Protect your PlayStation Vita for up to 3 years. I think I might be doing that. Okay, let's see. What we got here? AR cards. I'm not really sure what an AR card is. Let me put this down for a second and open this up. Give me 1 second. Alright, we're back. Oop, AR cards. Let's see, let's read what this says. My phone will focus. Alright. Bring a new way to play with PlayStation Vita using AR cards and merge real world and the game to create augmented reality experiences. Keep your AR cards safe and visit the PlayStation Vita home screen and activate. Okay, so these are the AR cards. Probably be talking about these on the next episode of Trophy Horrors. And we got, what else we got in here? Get connected for my data pass. Get connected and get rewarded. Alright, let's see, is there anything else in here? Nope, that's it. Alright, let's see if we can turn the Vita on now. There's a power button. Maybe it just doesn't have enough juice yet. Oh, there it goes. Alright, it's loading up. Really excited. Can't wait to play Uncharted on this. It's telling me to do this. Alright, United States. Let me see if I can do this in a way that you guys can see what I'm doing here. Next. Eastern time zone. Next. Set the date. Today is and it is approximately, you guys are gonna know exactly when I got this. 6:24 p.m. Good. Alright, we're gonna sign that up later. Do I have an account? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Be right back, guys. I don't want you guys seeing this. Alright, guys, I'm back. I just dropped my AR cards all over the floor. I gotta pick them up. And of course, with any Sony product, there's a software update. So hit OK. Alright, we're gonna have to. Little trick by Moonshiner. For anybody that knows, you cannot, because there's an update, you have to not sign in with your PlayStation account, because it's going to keep telling you to bring it back to the same screen. So first time you set it up, do not activate your PlayStation account. And there we go. Alright, guys, I'm going to enjoy my Vita now. There you go. And hope you guys enjoyed the boxing video. Take care.